the really hard thing was supposed to be way harder than what... Welcome back, folks. Flip9 here. Today we're getting back on the Sportster yet again. It's not going to be as big of an eventful situation as it was last time, because putting those bearings and races back on and the triple trees was a big deal for me personally, and learning how to work on my own motorcycles. That was a major achievement for me. Today I don't plan on doing too much more to it. I got the wheel and tire from the Brap factory, and today I'm pretty much just going to put the tire on. So after putting the wheel on, then it can sit on its own. I can put it down in the kickstand, which is a major achievement in the situation, being what it is. But I'm also going to mock up some handlebars, because this way I can figure out if I need to extend any of the wiring on my handlebar controls, or if I can just leave it alone, because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. And quite honestly, as much as there are certain things I want to do to that motorcycle, being the fact that jobs and money is a little difficult right now, I'm going to take what I can get. I had somebody reach out to me on the Instagrams and tell me that they had a couple handlebars and risers that they were willing to drop off at the ride factory for me. I put his name up right here. Sorry, can't really look it up right now. But thank you so much, man. But I have a couple of options in handlebars. Nothing too crazy. Also, I'm gonna go try to pick up a new brake cable for Kyle and the Dynabolt, because after the 2-inch lift kit and the 10-inch T-bars that you just threw it on there, some things need to extend a touch.
This looks fucking good.
It looks so weird next to that thing. So we're going from that to that, and it just looks like two completely different worlds.
You got the same tire though, didn't you? You got the exact same tire.
Oh yeah, no, like the back. So right before the accident, I got two brand new Michelin Commanders on the Sportster. They have like maybe 200 miles on them.
Yeah.
So since I got a brand new back, I had to match the front again. So Michelin Commander 2s.
Hell yeah.
Let's get that rotor on there.
All right.
So I got everything I need to put on the rotor except for the screws. So we're gonna take those out, use them to put in the new ones, get it going.
Pull the tire, or do you want to be the one that breaks it pull the sign? Pull the tire, or do you want to be the one that breaks it pull the sign? Pull the tire, or do you want to be the one that breaks it pull the sign? Done. Yeah. Glad that's not back here. I'm really glad that it's not back here, dude.
Well, we're replacing everything we just fucked up. Well, Kyle, today was a defeat.
Yeah, quick defeat.
You know when you just don't feel like today is the day, and just like the world is telling you just hang back for a minute. I've been having that feeling all freaking week, and this has just proven it. Just like, this is not your week, buddy. It's not your week. I keep trying to think of things to make videos for this week, and I can't think of anything. And the situation is the situation. So I'm gonna go see what I can do about this. I'm gonna go to Ride Factory, see if I get some new bolts. After that, The shame is open, and I'm gonna go drown my sorrows in some quite delicious Tennessee bourbon Buffalo Trace. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not trying to sit here and be like, oh, woe with me, boo-hoo. I'm just saying, this week has been awful. You just get that gut feeling the whole time, like, not today. Today is not a good day. And then I go, well, I gotta make a video for the Sunday, so I need to do something. And then it's like, it's just, come on, man. Should have stayed home. It's just one of those things. Like, I woke up yesterday, my hand hurts for zero reason. Just really, really hurts. I still have full function of my left hand. It just hurts really bad. I can still grip with it, in a lot of pain. I just, I mean, I want to feel bad about this, but I can't, because I'm at least putting in the effort to get the 48 back on the road. You know, I can only do so much at one time, because I don't know. You can only go one step at a time with this scenario, because like one step leads into the other, and you don't know what you need for step 2 until you finish step 1. So I can't go buy brake cables, clutch cables, like wire extensions, because I don't know what handlebars I'm throwing on there, and I don't, because for all I know right now, it's going to stay the same standard handlebars. But I do play with the idea of getting some little mini apes, because at the same time, I'm already there, might as well finish the job. Why do it again? But at the same time, it's not like I have to destroy the motorcycle to get back to that part of the motorcycle, which is a good thing. I wonder what Shelby's going to say about this situation. He's probably just gonna laugh at me. I mean, seriously, just cue The Price is Wrong. Hit play.
Why is he using a half-inch impact?
I don't know why, but
overkill? Yeah. That's what happens when you use a half-inch impact on a torque spit.
well,
Just stand there and go, what do we do now?
no, we tried again with a fucking ratchet.
Ratchet?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it broke again. Shelby, you got the right screws for me?
Pro tip, use a torch on it. Burn the Loctite off.
Wait, what was that?
Use a torch and burn the Loctite out. Get it hot enough.
Yeah, Kyle, this is your fault, Kyle.
There's an extra one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Guys, get a Shelby in your life. If you're dumb like me, get a Shelby. Accessories not included.
No, not at all.
Check out this fucking rad 1963 Norton with original tires.
Forget which way this 8 switches are.
Damn. Man, what a day. What a day, let me tell you. God, oh man. I'm hungry. I need to call it a day. I haven't had any freaking coffee today. Maybe that's what's wrong with me. But, yeah, no. I just want to put this freaking tire on, man. It shouldn't be this hard. Man, when life let's give you lemons. You get freaking lemon juice in your eyes. I swear. Ah, it smells so good. There's a rum distillery right there. The smell of molasses and sugarcane juice. Oh my god, that smelled so good. Oh, I haven't smelled that in forever. Dear Siri, give me my funky jams. There we go. Man. Maybe this is penance for me saying how easy it was for me to remove the races and put them back in. Maybe that's what this is. Because the really hard thing was supposed to be way harder than what... Oh shit, wait. Is your Senna on? Use a turn signal, buddy. What do you want?
Nothing, saying hi.
Uh-huh.
I want to say hi to my friend.
Can I have whiskey? I need it.
It's been that kind of day, huh?
It's been that kind of week.
Huh?
It's been that kind of week.
Alright. Yeah, I'm heading back to the game now.
Let's go. To the happiest place on earth. Where the whiskey flows and... dirty shame. My happy place. I feel a little bit better. Thank you. Later, buddy. Alright, let's kick out the jams. Come on, do it. Do it. Don't be a jerk. Do not be a jerk. There we go. I'm so angry because I did something wrong and I got called out on it. To sum it all up, you don't win them all, guys. You know, I'm doing better than I should have been up to this point on my motorcycle. It sucks. Tis no bueno. But you know what? Man. I got a place to work on a motorcycle. I got a place to work on my first motorcycle. A motorcycle that I love and cherish and I can bring back to life like Frankenstein's monster. And, you know, things could be a lot worse. Considering the apocalypse we're going through, this situation is what it is. And, you know, I can still do some... I still get to go hang out with my good friends. I still get to do some rad shit. Really hard to complain about all the bad things that happen. Maybe this is something that I need to address. I've always been a negative person, but like I don't like being a negative person, and for as much as I've been like working towards not being that person anymore, one of the things I've always tried to tell myself when it came to this YouTube channel was, if you're gonna make a YouTube channel, positivity. You gotta be positive, man. I gotta be... Nobody wants to see you whine or cry on here. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's some people you want to watch cry. Can't deny that. Who doesn't love a good train wreck? But I want to be a positive person. I want to portray a positive world. You know, for as bad as everything is, it could always be dramatically worse. In consideration, I got hit at 40 miles an hour by a car on a motorcycle. I was traveling 40 miles an hour. He was traveling 40 miles an hour. We collided at 40 miles an hour. Now, luckily, I had enough foresight to hop off the bike as fast as possible, so I never physically went down on the accident. Like, my knee and my hand hit the ground, and I walked away. It could have been dramatically worse. I have a friend who recently just fell off of his bicycle and is posting Instagram stories of him at the doctor's office having to have like ACL and MRIs, and he fell off of a friggin' bicycle that he was pedaling that couldn't have been going more than 10 miles an hour, and he's, you know, got a torn shit. He's got torn parts of his body. You know, like, he is way worse off for falling off. Apparently my GoPro decided it was time to stop talking, and it wasn't wrong. But this is where I'm going to end this video. Guys, don't forget, I do have a Patreon. It does help me with these builds, and I really appreciate the people who are on my Patreon already. Guys, thank you so much. Also, don't forget to like this video, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.